Welcome to this guided meditation voiced by kids. In this meditation, we celebrate the 4th of July. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let's embark on a journey of relaxation, gratitude, and joy as we honor this important day in our country's history. Imagine yourself sitting on a soft blanket, surrounded by your loved ones, as the warm summer breeze gently brushes against your face. You can hear the distant sound of laughter and excitement filling the air. Take a moment to feel the ground beneath you, connecting you to the earth, and know that you are safe and supported. Now, visualize a clear blue sky above you, painted with vibrant colors from the early morning sunrise. Picture the sun shining brightly, filling your heart with warmth and happiness. As you take in the beauty of this day, let gratitude fill your heart for the freedom and opportunities we enjoy. In the distance, you notice a gentle flicker of light. As you approach, you see a dazzling fireworks display illuminating the night sky. Each burst of color represents the strength and unity of our nation. Watch as the fireworks dance across the sky, filling you with a sense of awe and wonder. Feel the excitement building within you as you witness this magnificent spectacle. As you continue to watch the fireworks, allow your body to relax. Feel the soft grass beneath you and notice any tension in your body gradually melting away. Take a deep breath in, filling your lungs with fresh air, and exhale slowly, releasing any worries or stress. Now, let's focus on our breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, and as you exhale, Imagine you're blowing out a sparkler, releasing any negative thoughts or feelings. Take a few more deep breaths, allowing each inhale to energize you and each exhale to bring you a sense of calm. As the fireworks continue to light up the sky, think about what freedom means to you. It could be the freedom to express yourself, to pursue your dreams, or to make choices that align with your values. Hold this feeling of freedom in your heart, and know that you have the power to create positive change in the world. Now, let's express our gratitude for the people who have fought for our freedom. Picture a loved one who serves or has served in the military, or a community helper who works tirelessly to keep us safe. Send them love and appreciation, knowing that their sacrifice and dedication have made our lives better. As the fireworks display comes to an end, take a moment to reflect on the joy and unity that this celebration brings. Imagine sharing a delicious picnic with your family and friends, enjoying tasty treats and laughter. Feel the love and connection as you engage in games and activities that strengthen your bonds. As we conclude our guided meditation, bring your attention back to your breath. Take a moment to appreciate the peace and tranquility within you. Remember that the spirit of the 4th of July, the celebration of freedom, love, and togetherness, can be carried in your heart every day. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, knowing that you are filled with gratitude and a deep sense of appreciation for the freedoms we enjoy. Carry this feeling with you as you go about your day, spreading love and kindness wherever you go. Thank you for joining me in this special guided meditation for the 4th of July. May you always remember the importance of freedom, unity, and gratitude. Happy 4th of July! Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe for more meditation content. Like or share this video.